Hi, and today I'm going to show you my new little pet shop that I got. So first, this one was already my old one, but I just got this, I don't know what it is. I have no clue why the fish is like in here or anything, but yeah, it's in here. Something has like this little over here shower, take off, and you could put it back on over here, and yeah, and this little thing came with this pet, and so yeah. What I also know is over here is that you could put this pet in here. Whatever. Take her out. So, yeah. Anyways, so that's the first thing that I got today. And the second thing is, I know some of you didn't watch the Show Little's Pet Shop, but I got the pets from Show Little's Pet Shop. That's Russell. There's Russell and Vinny, Pennywing, Zoe, Pepper, Minka, and Cilio. So yeah, he came with this background, like, it doesn't really stick up, whatever.